Introducing our mushroom quiche. The ingredients are 100 grams shimeji mushrooms, 6 shiitake mushrooms sliced thinly, 1 clove garlic, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon butter, 12 grams, 2 beaten eggs, 60 grams shredded cheese, 130 ml milk, 70 ml fresh cream, 30 ml broth. Dissolve 1/4 bouillon cube. Dash of salt and pepper. Heat butter in a skillet. Sauté the garlic first and add mushrooms. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Combine the sauté garlic and mushrooms. With beaten eggs, strain the mixture. Combine milk, fresh cream, broth, salt and pepper. Mix in 2/3 of the cheese and mix well. Coat the quiche dish with a small amount of butter. Pour all the ingredients into the dish and top up with the remaining cheese. Remove the ceramic tray. Place the dish on the center of the metal tray. Insert the metal tray into the mid-rack. Press oven, 1 level, 210 degrees Celsius. 26 to 32 minutes with preheat no to cook.